Hello and good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back once again. And today we're going to talk about force. So, there's two sessions that I would be taking today, and we would be exploring more regarding force, whatever we have that we want to learn. Now, this one right now is regarding force as push or a pull. So, we are trying to just basically define any type of force in the form of a push or a pull. Who am I? My name is Udit Gupta, and I will be taking your session for this one. And I have done my BTech from MNNIT Allahabad. I will be your physics educator. I have had more than 9 years of teaching experience, and there's a lot of students over time that I've mentored. And that just means that you are at one of the best places to learn. What is this place called? This place is called ODA Class, where you can come and learn a lot more. A lot more. Because this is a place where new things are happening, innovative learning methods are being used here. That means you are going to learn not the traditional way. You don't have to open a book because we will teach you better. We will teach you in a way that you will always remember. And if you want to learn more, let me tell you that there is a link in the description below which can guide you to the bridge course. I'm going to talk about that link in a little while, but first let me tell you how this bridge course can be effective and how starting on Monday you can make sure that your learning is in the right hands. So this is going to be a 1 week course in which there are going to be six different classes. Yes, you got that right. Three maths and three science. This means that you are going to be learning each and every day. Every day becomes a productive day just because you join this bridge course. What is the next thing? The next thing is that you get a personal teacher. Everybody who joins this course gets one personal teacher whom they can ask unlimited doubts, infinite doubts, right? I hope you do like that unlimited data pack. Similarly, this is the unlimited doubt support person that you can get if you join a bridge course. And it does not stop here. There's going to be multiple things on the app. As you can see, we're having the homework, we're having the tests, we're having the PDF books. So everything that you have on this app makes sure that it is one of the best courses, that it contains everything from A to Z, everything covered. And in case you're wondering how to come here, let me tell you that this is the link that you can find in the description below. Once you click on that link, you're going to make sure that you are in the best of the courses if you make this payment of 29 rupees. Now, please don't forget, it's not a 29 rupees course as such because we are giving multiple things to you. This is actually a 499 rupees course, but just because you are present here, just because you have watched this, and just because you will love this session, we are offering this discounted price to you guys. There's only some handful of students who have gotten this discount. I hope you do as well and you join us in the bridge course. So, keeping that in mind, let's move ahead and now let's try to talk about something that we had to start off with, that is force as push or pull. Now, what exactly would we say once we want to define force as a push or pull? We say that every force that comes into being, every force that exists in nature, it is going to be classified under these two parts. That is either a push or a pull. Now, another thing that people ask me is that how do we differentiate? How do we make sure that, okay, this is a push, this is a pull? How do we differentiate both of them? So, let me tell you that in case you are talking about a push force, let me just make it a little easier for you. If we are talking about a push force, then this force is the force, that is this one, that is going to act away from us. How? How do you push somebody? You push like this. You push like this. Push means a force that goes away from you. अगर मुझे किसी को धक्का देना है तो मैं कैसे दूंगा? यूं दूंगा ना, उसको यूं तो नहीं करूंगा. तो दिस इज अवे फ्रॉम मी, दिस इज टुवर्ड्स मी. So away force is what I call a push force, and you can see it over here as well. That this force goes in a direction that is away. मतलब अगर मुझे यहाँ पे मैं खड़ा होऊंगा, if I am standing here, I am going to apply a force away from me. This is going to be a push force. What about a pull force? So we can say that pull force, that is this force right over here, happens to be a towards us type of a force. How? You pull things like this, right? If I have a wire, I want to pull, I will pull like this, like this. So if I am standing over here, how will I pull? I will pull it over here. ऐसे पकड़ के, let me do this from here. ऐसे पकड़ के मैं इस तरीके से I am going to pull. So these are the two types of force that you can just define using whether the force is away from you, that is a push force, or whether it is towards you, that is a pull force. So we have understood some basic definition over here of push and pull. So let us do some questions to understand it better. Now the question says, she pushed the thief dash to escape. Now she pushed the thief. What should be my thought process? How should my brain work? I should just think that, okay, you know what? The important word over here is that she pushed the thief. She pushed. Pushed means what? That she pushed means we talked about it that this is going to be away. So let us try to see the options as well. Now, what exactly do we have in the options? We have option number A telling us that she pushed the thief towards herself. Towards herself. Would she like to push the thief towards? कि आओ thief मेरे पास आओ, चोर मेरे पास आओ, robber come towards me. Or will she try to push the thief away from herself? कि दूर जाओ रॉबर, don't rob me. कि कुछ भी कर सकती, either A or B, या फिर none of these. So I think that it makes absolute sense to say that the correct answer over here will be that she will push the thief away from herself. Always, right? Always. She's gonna push the thief away from herself, not towards herself, not either one of them, and this is absolutely correct. So let us take you to the next quiz. And this is one of the quiz that I really like. That it says the love between Virat and Anushka has dashed them towards each other. Now, what is the important thing to understand here is that this is towards each other. This is towards each other. And I hope you know who are these people, Virat and Anushka. In case you don't, let me just tell you. Here they are, right? And as you can see, if somebody is in love, what happens? They come towards each other. And if they are coming towards each other, I hope once you see the options, you can tell that it is talking about either pushed or pulled. Right? Interaction is something we don't even know. We're going to learn about this in the evening class that we have. None of these is again incorrect. But out of push and pull, which one should be correct? If you're getting towards each other, if you're getting towards, you are doing nothing else but pulling. So the love between Virat and Anushka has pulled them towards each other. Done. Right? I hope that you understood how easy the questions are if you just understand the basic definition. And the basic definition now comes. This is a question that might be asked in your paper. That a push force acts. Now, where does it act? Does it act towards us? Does it act away from us? Can it be either one of them or none of these? I think that you know it pretty well that a push force is going to act away from us. If you don't believe me, I hope that this can help you tell. Whenever you go towards a door, you're going to find that either it's a push or a pull that can help open that door. If you push the door open, on the other side, if I go, I can pull the door open. So push and pull are Just two forces that are just opposite of each other, and I hope that you understood that how this push force acts. Dhakka dena is a push force. Let's talk about the next one, and the next one is a pull force act. How does a pull force act? So it says, is it towards us? Is it away from us? Again, the same options, either A or B, या फिर none of these. So I think that this time around you can easily say that if a push force was away, a pull force is towards us. So option number A is correct for us, and we can also say that if you see this guy within the door, right, this is how the pull force acts. So I hope that this push and pull funda is now absolutely clear to you. So if now you are asked the final question, and this is a little logical to think, it says any force acts how? Any force. So any force means it could be a push, it could be a pull, it is any force, it could be either one of them. So if it is a push, it acts away from you. If it is a pull force, it acts towards you. So if I ask any force acts how, then you can say that it is going to act either A or B. That is, either it will be towards us, either it will be a pull force, or it will be a push force. It can be any one of them. Any force means I can choose either push or pull, that is either away from me or towards myself, and that is why option number C is absolutely correct. I hope that you understood this. The example that I was saying, that if you push from one end, you have to pull from another end. So this is the case in all the types of forces as far as push and pull is concerned. But if you want to get to learn more, this is the best app, the ODA app, which provides you with a better teacher so that you get a better future. And we are providing you a better course as well. And I hope you know the link is down there, in which if you come starting from Monday, we are going to have all these amazing things. 1 week of studies, you're going to have a personal mentor teacher, you're going to have a lot of sessions, you're going to have homeworks, you're going to have tests, you're going to have parent teacher meeting, you're going to have study report communication, you're going to have the talent hunts, and there's a lot more that I have missed upon. I've just told you some basic things, and all of this will come to you at just an economical price of rupees 29. If you are feeling that, you know what, I should maybe try it, maybe not, I would just say try it once. Every good thing that exists, somebody tried it at the earlier stage and has taken the advantage. You can be one of them. All right. And I hope that I forgot to tell you one thing, that there are coins to be taken as well. Right. What are these coins? These are ODA coins. This is the ODA virtual currency that you can get if you come into that bridge course. The link is down there in the description. If you join the course, let me tell you, all these, you see all these amazing goodies. There's a bottle, there's a Mi Band, there's a sound bar, there's even a phone. All of it can be yours if you just collect some super awesome ODA coins. And let me tell you, this the people who got into Bitcoin at the initial stage, they've taken a lot of advantage. You can be the one who can collect a lot of coins, because this is just the starting stage. I hope to see you in this bridge course. And that was all from the class today. If you loved it, do not forget to like and share with your friends, and do press on the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss anything.